Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. I am Alice, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, this is another week for vlog, and this was a Sunday morning. I was making my hair, styling my hair for the week. So yeah, and this is me. I just got back from church service and it was awesome. So this is a Monday morning going to school, and this traffic was so much. Students were all over the junctions waiting for vehicle, but there was no short to convey them into the school. Like, although this traffic is nothing compared to Lagos, but then I had to even get this from a WhatsApp status because the view in the keke was not doing justice to it. This is what we face as Unilorin students when it comes to transport issues. So eventually I got to school and it was dusty, so I always have this tissue paper in my bag to clean the place for myself. And yeah, this is just how school is going. Although the week is really stressful, coupled with the fact that there's a lot of transport issues, but we move. So this is me and my friends going back home, and this is another queue again. Like, this queue is so long,
Interesting.
very long. You can't even imagine how long this thing is. But anyways, we move.
That's true, yeah.
Hello guys, so today is Tuesday, and my dear, this week it hasn't gotten to the middle of the week, but it's already so stressful. I don't know, it's so I can't even talk. I'm supposed to be in class by now. Like, this is to 10. I have lectures for 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. But I'm not in class. I'm here. I'm still in my hostel because because of the issue of transport. I know that no matter what, I'm still not going to see, like, anything that will not make me leave this house around 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm definitely not going to see bus on time. So I just want to take my time and finish whatever I have to do. Then my second class is going to start by 11 a.m. So this is to 10. I just want to quickly eat and then go out. And yeah, struggle continues. And then, as it is like this, now is eat in the morning before you go to school, because the money is not too plenty. So be spending and be buying stuff up and down because things are now expensive. So I eat now before I go to school. Join me. So guys, beans and bread is one of my favorite, and yeah, they just opened this spot in school. So my friend and I decided to try it out, and trust me guys, it was amazing. So if you are a Unilorin student and you've not tried it, just give it a try. Although it's just small, I mean, this is 2 portion and each portion is 100 naira. But yeah, we just move anyways. I mean, things are expensive, so what do you expect? So guys, for some time now the light hasn't been stable, so finally there's light, and today is the first time I came back from school very early. Like, I left school around almost 4 p.m. and today I was really favored today, because going to school in the morning I got a free ride, and coming out too I also got a free ride. So yeah, I got out early today because the second class that I was supposed to hold around 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Like, that's how mad my timetable is. Like, how can somebody be having a course for 4 hours straight? But I think that particular course maybe is practical, but we don't know yet. So yeah, they brought the light, so I decided to just film a video. So this is like behind the scene of creating content. So I actually want to film a particular video about chat gpt. A friend of mine introduced me to it, so I want to share it with you guys. Yeah, face is looking so white, so I just want to just do some little, yeah. Here we go. Going to touch up my lip. I'm going to end this vlog right now. I supposed to have ended this vlog since last week because this is actually a new week. I was totally busy and I've not been consistent with the daily vlogs, so I'm going to end it now. Before I end it, I would like to acknowledge one of my subscribers that I met in school. I actually met her last week Monday, and I totally forgot to acknowledge her in the video earlier, so I'm going to be telling her thank you. I mean, like, I wasn't in a good mood when she even saw me, and she was like, excuse me, and then I was like, in my mind I'm like, hey God, who be this again? Because I was totally stressed and angry at that moment. But when she told me that, hey, you Alice, you make videos on YouTube about hair and all that, I'm like, yes, it's me. I was like, that actually lightened up my mood. It lightened up my mood. So I want to tell her thank you. I remember I asked her her name because of this particular acknowledgement. So yeah, thank you, Deborah. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. I also, like, this is the second time or maybe third time that someone is recognizing me in school. Like, baby girl is beginning to be known. So the other one I also asked her of her name, but I totally forgot. I forgot her name. So yeah. And if you are watching, please, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Okay. uh I'm actually not so fine. I woke up this morning with serious cold, like, you know, when you're feeling cold, this one is inside the body, and I'm totally weak. I didn't even go to school today because I'm weak. So I don't even have a vlog for this week. That's what I'm saying. I'm ending this vlog. This vlog is supposed to be last week vlog, but I'm ending it this week. So I'm going to be taking a break for this week because I'm not fine. And then school, my timetable has not been friendly. Like, it's not friendly. It's not going to be friendly throughout the semester. So I just want to take a break for this week for weekly vlog, and try my best to see I'll be able to come back up for you guys. So please don't mind the way I'm sounding. I'm actually tired and weak. I just said let me come and end this vlog because I really want to upload it on Friday. Today is Wednesday, right? Yes, so I want to upload the video this Friday. So I said let me just quickly do this end part of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up, okay? Give it a big thumbs up, and yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, please, bye bye. I don't even like the way I'm doing this, like, This is not me. This is not me, but I'm coming back strong. Okay. Bye, guys. I love you. Bye.